Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make hot water with the Delonghi Magnifica machine. Place the container under the cappuccino maker, as close as possible to avoid splashes. Then check that the cup and the double cup lights are on steadily. Turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go. Then the delivery will begins. If the energy saving mode is active, you may have to wait a few seconds before the hot water is delivered. To produce steam immediately after preparing hot water, you should open the steam knob for a few seconds to empty the water circuits. Never leave the machine unsupervised while delivering hot water. Stop delivery of hot water when the cup is full. The cappuccino maker becomes hot while water is being delivered and must be held by the handle only. And there it comes, as you can see. It delivers so much water now. This is hot water for you, tea, for you, other hot drink as well. After you finish the delivery, turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go. And the delivery begins. And now we go to the left side. This stop. This the delivery. Now you can see I rotated back on the right side and the delivery goes on. So that it is. Stop by turning the steam knob to the O position. And you finished your delivery of hot water. That it is easy going. You have to look that the coffee machine is ready to deliver, and then only turn the knob to the right side. Then it begins to deliver water. Easy as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.